Fucking menace.
Mark her up. Yeah.
You can call the drop pod, I think, right?
Your island's on the way. Drop pod
But,
inbound.
Down. It's a menace. I'm with you, goblin.
Oh, I'm being text. Save me. Stop attacking me.
Drop pod arrived. Mules returning to LZ.
I have to just
Drop pod
fucking hoof
departing
it
in
because I have
T-minus
literally
5
no ammo.
minutes.
Yeah, me neither. We... Wait, did you take Dolly's head?
No, someone else.
I don't think anybody did.
No, I saw one dude.
I was. Yeah, I'm going back. Oh, there it is. See? Nobody took it. Hell nah. Not leaving it behind. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Ah! Oh my god.
You got the head still?
I didn't know. I was ready. Oh my god, look what is coming. Alright.
Fine, I have thorns.
Oh, we're gonna die. I am gonna die. Nope. I'm not leaving it behind.
I got it.
We can pass it to each other.
Retrieved. Make it snappy clean. The drop pod won't hang around.
One of them got down. No, render. Stop.
Let it roll down the hill. Oh, it went far. Oh, what the hell is that drop pod placement?
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
There's so much shit. Oh shit.
Can you pick the head and pick it up? Oh, I'm gonna go down. Hold on. Oh, oh, I gotta go inside. Okay. 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 Wait, I have C4. Should be kind of. It did absolutely nothing. Oh my god! Ah! I'm gonna die! Yeah, I'm dying. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm dead. I think... Who is killing himself? Someone is saving me. Did we make it?
No, we didn't. I fucking died to full damage. I jumped too far.
Okay. Did this fucking... I got down just in front of the fucking drop pod on the stairs. Did we all make it? Oh, it's just you down there.
I'm not, no, I'm keeping fucking knocked out.
Oh, let's go. Leave no marks behind.
You actually get everyone out.
You did. That was
Oh,
tough.
nice.
That was fucking stressful.
Wait, where's Dolly's head?
It's in there.
Okay.
I threw it in there.
Oh, it is. Okay, it was.